Alright, so these are the codes that I'm getting for the top. As you see, these 3 codes. So one of them, I punch each one of them on the internet, and a lot of people are complaining about this one, which is the wire that I'm showing you guys, that I'm trying to repair. And I ordered some stuff from Amazon that I need for this. These wire connector. And it has a heat shrink, so once you put that one, you can just heat it up and it shrinks. So I went ahead and got some of these heat shrink for the heat shrink tubing assortment for the different sizes for the big wire, and some more here. So I guess I did a little bit excessive. I didn't know this one is heat shrink butt connector. So okay, this will work, only this one. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and put them all together and see if this solves my. So this is how I do it, and then you can apply some heat over here and then shrinks and holds it even better. So what I'm trying to do is I have this plier. I'm gonna put it on this side of the plier right there. Put the wire inside and squeeze it in. Like put the wire one side first and then put the other side. So that's how that's the best option that you see. You put it like this and you squeeze it in. That's it. This is when it's all said and done. The one thing I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, this is like an antenna, a wire. That one that was cut too. I put it together like this, like the rest of them. So we'll see how it goes. And you have to tape it back. This comes out of here. You have to remove this one to give you some more room to play with. So you just have to put it back in place. I just wanted to put some electrical tape around it. First I want to do the with a heat gun to put him, like, you know, press him all, and that's it. That's the solution. Thank you so much. This plier is amazing plier that I used it to press those connectors together. This is a cutter, of course, an electrical tape, and not 14. Which one was it? The one I used was 18 to 22 gauge, watertight, heat shrink butt connector. So that's the one that I used. Let me see if I can clear it. Come on, camera. There you go. So that's what I used. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Thank you. This is when I'm done with all the job, so everything good as new. I put them all together. It's a little thick over here, but that's okay. Nobody noticed that. It's in the back, so it's hidden. So you have to heat it up with a heat gun like this after you're done, and it's gonna be all pressed in, all the connectors. So I'm done with this almost, and then I'm gonna do the electrical tape. This is the tape from it that I have, other electrical tape that I have to tape it out. That's it. Thank you for watching. So now is the moment of the truth. Before it was only the windows were coming down, but now let's see. There you go for the first time. That's opening up. Amazing. Amazing, just amazing. Those wires, you see the wires over there? I still haven't put them together. Like did the heat shrink. I just wanted to test drive it right now to see if everything is working fine. Everything is good, so close it back to get rid of that, to fix those wires. As you see, those wires, those are the ones that I just fixed. And there's this complete cycle. The windows. Perfect. All right. We're now back in business. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll send you the link for the things that I use for this. Thank you.